Hello students, how are you all? Enjoying? Yeah, I'm back, your EVS teacher from Mount Literacy School, Rampura Full. What we were doing? We were discussing chapter number 3, our senses. Alright, this chapter we have completed. So today what we are going to do? We are going to discuss back exercises and the question answers. Alright, so first question is true and false. Alright, true or false. Now, first, we smell things with the help of our tongue. Is it true or false? False. Why? Because we smell things with our nose and we taste dishes with our tongue. Okay? So we use tongue to taste dishes and we use nose to smell things. Alright? Second, all the five senses of special and differently abled people work properly. Who are special and differently abled people? Whose five senses doesn't work properly. One of the sense is missing. They are called special and differently abled. But what is written here? That all the five senses work properly. That is false. Okay? One of the sense is missing in them. We like the loving touch of our mothers. Yes, we like the loving touch of our mothers. So it is a good touch. That's true. The touch that makes us feel uncomfortable, scared, and unsafe is a bad touch. Yes, it's true. Okay? So the touch which makes us uncomfortable, when we don't feel comfortable with someone or we feel unsafe, then that touch is bad touch. Okay? And we should inform our teachers or parents about that. Alright? Next is answer the following questions. Name some things that are harmful for us if we touch them. See, there are some things, if we touch them, they are harmful for us. Like scissors, blades, cactus, knives, hot utensils, etc. There are many things which we touch and are harmful for us. Okay, as we have discussed in this chapter also, that we don't touch all these things. We should not touch all these things. They are harmful for us. What role do nerves play in letting us have a sense of touch? In the sense of touch, I explained you that when we touch something, our nerves on the skin carry the message to our brain. It carries message to our brain. It tells our brain. Who? Nerves on the skin. When we touch something, when our skin touches something, then our nerves send the message to brain, and then brain lets us know that what we are touching. Okay, then our brain tells us what we are touching. All right, so what role do nerves play? What nerves do? When we touch something with our skin, our nerves carry the message or gives the message to brain, and then brain tells us what we are touching. Okay. Next, what should you do if you experience a bad touch? If you experience a bad touch, what you should do? You should inform you should inform your parents or teachers. That means if we experience a bad touch, we should inform our parents or teachers. Okay? We should go immediately to our parents and teachers about and should tell them about bad touch. Name the script used by the people who cannot see. We have discussed about a script, Braille script, which is used by the people who cannot see. Who cannot see are called blind people, and blind people can't study like us because they can't see. So like us, we can write anywhere with our hands. All right. But the people who cannot see, how they will see that what is, how they will know that what is written here? With the help of Braille script. Braille script means in a book, or in a book there are some holes. Okay, by touching them they know that A is written, B is written, C is written, D is written, or whatever the word is written. All right, so Braille script helps blind people in studying, in studies. All right, take the correct option. An unfriendly touch makes us feel uncomfortable. Unfriendly touch means bad touch. Unfriendly touch means bad touch. Bad touch. That makes us uncomfortable. Alright? Now, people who cannot see or hear are called differently abled, because they can't do each and everything like us. Because if they can't see or hear, that means the people who cannot see or hear are called differently abled people. All right, the dash of the skin send a message to our brain. Nerves. Okay, a question we discussed here right yet, that nerves carry the message to our brain, and then brain tells us that what we are touching. All right, we feel uncomfortable when people touch us in an unfriendly way. Okay, what we feel uncomfortable when someone touches us in an unfriendly way. That means in a bad way. All right, so next is crossword puzzle. In this, some blocks are given to you in your book. Some blocks are given to you like this. You can see a small blocks, small squares you can see here. So in these blocks you have to fill all your five senses. First of all, what are five senses? Nose, eyes, ears, skin, tongue. Okay, these are the five senses we have. Now these are the five senses which we have to fill in this puzzle. Okay, how? So this is the answer of this puzzle. This you can do and write in your notebooks. Okay, just remember the five sense organs. So five sense organs are nose, eyes, tongue, ears, skin. Okay, these are the five senses we have. So that you have to fill here, and I filled it. So remember, learn the five sense organs. All right, so we have finished with this chapter. Now what to do? You have to write all the answers in your notebooks and learn them. All right, so in next video, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.